Hello, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well wherever you are. Let's begin by revising what we have learned. This letter, which looks like the handle of a cup facing this way, has different sounds in English and Malay. In English, it makes the sound k, as in cup. In Malay, it makes the sound ch, as in cawan. Let's say the Malay sound together. Ch, ch. Now let's revise some suku kata. Na, ma, ba, pa, sa, ka, ta, ya, cha, ni, mi, bi, pi, si, ki, ti, yi, chi, nu, mu, bu, pu, su, ku, tu, you, chu. Now let's learn a new sound. This letter makes the same sound in both English and Malay. Use the tip of your tongue to gently touch the bump right behind your top teeth. Close your mouth a little and trap the air behind your tongue. Move your tongue away quickly and say D. It's a short, bouncy sound like a little drum. D. Let's say it together. D. 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 Ah. Da. Da. Here we have da and another da. Together we say da da. Da da. Dada means chest. D. E. D. D. Here we have diri. Diri. I look at myself in the mirror. In Malay we say, saya lihat diri saya dalam cermin. Diri means oneself. Diri saya means myself. diri. D, u, do, do. Here we have su, do, su, do. Sudu means a spoon. Now let's say those suku kata again. Da, di, do, di, do, da, do, da, di. How do we write a small letter D? We start at the middle line. Make a curve going left. Curve down and stop at the bottom line. And then go to the top line and draw a straight line all the way down to the bottom line. Make sure your straight line touches the curve. Okay, so here's a fun way to remember this letter. The letter D looks like a drum on the left and a drumstick on the right. Try to remember this picture when you write the letter D. Okay, that's all we have for now. Remember to keep trying. Bye-bye. I'll see you again soon.